you all had an amazing night and you're here ready to work. Today with us we have Miss Trevona, we have Miss Sandy, and Sir Wayne. And we will be teaching you a very interesting topic. So before we move ahead, I have an activity for you. And so you have to unscramble these letters here to form the word that will lead us to our topic for today. So you have 1 minute to get this ready, and you'll raise your hand and I will ask. Yes, Smith.
Sarah Hansen is software.
Very good. Give her a round of applause. Good. So today our topic will be based on software. Anybody know what is software? Yes, Garway? You have to stand and answer, okay? Very good. Give her a round of applause. So software basically refers to the instructions that tells the hardware what to do. Is that clear, everybody? Yes. So we have a video, and please listen attentively. And after the video, we'll go into detail with our topic this morning. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Good.
There is a set of instruction that guides the computer hardware and tell the hardware what to do, when to do, and how to do a task. Software gives life to the computer. Without software, the computer is a dead machine. Computer software is divided into application software and system software. Application software. Application software are programs that help the user perform specific tasks. Word processing software like MS Word, WordPad, and Notepad are used to create documents such as letters, reports, etc. Database software like Oracle, MS Access are to store data and perform some operations on the data. Spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel are used to organize data in rows and columns, perform calculations, and present data in charts and graphs. Presentation software like Microsoft PowerPoint is used to display information in the form of slides. Internet browsers like Google Chrome, Firefox, and Safari are used to access the Internet. System software. System software is a set of programs that controls the computer hardware. The system software is the platform for running the application software. System software are operating system and utility software. Operating system. Operating system is a software that acts as an interface between the user and the computer system. Operating systems for desktop and laptop computer are Microsoft Windows, Linux, Mac OS. Microsoft Windows is a very popular operating system created by Microsoft. The founder of Microsoft is Bill Gates. There are different versions of Microsoft Windows. Mac OS is an operating system created by Apple. The founder of Apple is Steve Jobs, and Steve Wayne began. Mac OS can run on all Macintosh computers. Linux is a free operating system that can be downloaded from the internet. It was developed by Linus Torvalds. Operating systems for mobile devices are Android and Apple iOS. Android is the most common mobile operating system used for mobile phone and tablets. iOS is used on iPhone and iPad. Utility software. Utility software is a software used to analyze, configure, optimize and maintain the computer. Example of utility software are antivirus software, backup software, disk compression tooling, file manager. Now, let's see the summary of what we have learned. Computer software is a set of instruction that guides the computer hardware. Computer software is divided into application software and system software. application software are programs that help the user perform specific tasks. System software is a set of program that controls the computer hardware. System software provides the platform for running the application software. System software are divided into operating system software and utility software. Question time. Drop the following in the correct.
Alright, good. Question. What are the two categories of software? The two major categories.
Application software and system software.
Good. Application software and system software. Give them a round of applause. I will now hand you over to Ms. Trevona, who will go into detail with today's lesson.
What did it say is application software? What does application software do?
It helps to perform specific tasks.
It helps to perform specific tasks. What are some examples of an application system software?
Microsoft Word and Excel.
What does Microsoft Word do?
It helps you to create files and other sources of information like documents.
Right? And what does Excel do?
Excel is how you can make a chart or something or numbers.
Good try. Thank you. Anybody else? Let me get two more examples. Anybody else? Google Chrome and PowerPoint. What do we use Google Chrome to do?
You use Google Chrome to browse the web and search information.
Right? And what do we use PowerPoint to do?
Use PowerPoint to make presentations or visualize information.
Great. Thank you. What are some other form of internet browser that we use? Firefox. Good job. Safari. Good job. Google Chrome. Thank you. Right. And let us go to communication. What are some application software that we use to communicate with our daily lives? Remember, an application software is an app that performs specific tasks. So we're talking about communication. What are some apps or some application software that we use to communicate daily?
Next, WhatsApp.
WhatsApp, good job. Messenger, good job.
The other is credit card.
The app that we use,
Use credit card.
one from the Play
Phone.
phone app. Alright, good, that's it. 10 people asked now, I'm handing you over to Survey. He will continue with system software.
PowerPoint presentation, as Miss said earlier, that the PowerPoint is an application software. Am I correct?
Yes.
Good. It carries out a specific task. What is a software? Read together, everybody. Very well. So we know that software is the name given to any application, any program that instructs or tells the hardware what to do. And so the hardware cannot function without the software, vice versa. The software cannot function without the hardware. Any question based on that? Alright, we move to the next point and I will ask Sir Wayne to do that.
As we all know, the computer hardware tells the software what to do, alright? Now this means that naturally the computer is a dumb machine, alright? Now us as a user, right? Well, let's say for example, what's your name?
Same.
Symphony? Alright, Symphony. Now, see, I am the software, right? And you're the hardware. And I give you instructions to go and bring that spring on that table, right? That is what the software does. It tells the hardware instructions on what to do, alright? Now, let's say this is the recipe, a software, right? And I'm the chef. This recipe normally tells the chef what to do, right? Instructions on how to cook, right? Now the types of software. Now software can be broken down under two types. What is the first type?
System software.
And application software.
software.
Now let's just look at system software. Can someone read for me? Yes.
This software is usually called an operating system since it controls the hardware and how all other software works. The most commonly used operating system in Windows, written by the Microsoft Corporation. Some other examples include Android, iOS, Linux, and Mac.
Very good. Give a round of applause. System software is also called operating system. Now, who can tell me what this word operating means? Anybody? Operate something. Yes. You're working on something? Good. Now, this operating system, right? Without an operating system, a computer or any mobile device would not work, right? Good. Now, as we all know, on those computers, it mostly come with an operating system called Windows, right? And that is created by Microsoft. Now, anybody in here got a mobile phone? Anybody? Now, who can tell me, which one of you can tell me which operating system your phone has? Alright, so it means if you have an iOS device, which company created that phone? Apple. And if you have a Samsung phone, which operating system you have to use that? Android. Good. System software now. Now, system software also includes utility software. Now, let me tell you that, right? Each computer comes with, normally Microsoft Windows come with something called Windows Protector, right? Now, that is the default settings for that computer. Now, anybody ever computer antivirus before? No? Not sure? Now, which antivirus can use to take that virus out? Which antivirus? Yes, please. What is the name of that software? It has many different names. Different company create each one. Yes, yeah? Alright then. Now, let me give you all some examples. Y'all ever hear about McAfee before? Samdal? No? Y'all ever heard that before? Y'all ever heard Kaspersky?
Yes.
No, I never used one like that. Yeah, go. This is no virus today. Good. Good. Application software. Someone read for me. Yes.
Application software is software that serves the computer to carry out a specific task. Word processors, spreadsheets, and database are all application software. Some other examples include Facebook, Spotify, Google Play Store, and so on.
Good. Thank you very much. Now, application software gives specific instructions and carry out specific tasks, right? Now, the first example here is Facebook. What is it used for Facebook? What do we use that for? Social media. The second one, Spotify. What do we use that for? Music, right? Google Play Store. What do we use that for? Apps and games. Microsoft Word. What is that task? What do we use that for? Type and edit documents, right? Now, can anybody give me two more examples of application software? And I don't want to hear Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, and database anymore access? Yes, you. Google Docs. Yes, that is also a Word processor, right? Anybody else? Bro? Alright.
Google Maps.
Google Maps. Who use Google Maps for?
Finding where you live.
Finding direction, right? Good. Yes, last person. WhatsApp? Who use WhatsApp for? Alright, that brings me to the end of this PowerPoint, right? Any questions? No? Not sure? Yes. Y'all understand? Yes. Alright, what is the difference between application and system software now? Anybody? Nobody?
Application software helps you to search things and find what you're looking for. System software like apps and setting times.
Partially correct, right? Still remove that.
Our topic today, we have an activity for you. So we are just going to read questions and fill in the blanks, and you have up to 3 or 5 minutes, right?
main types of software. Application software and system software. What is an application software?
Application software is an app that helps do a specific task.
Application software is an app that performs specific tasks. Good job. What is a system software?
The system software are the applications that help the hardware work.
Good job. And you know that in system software, there are two types. What are those?
Operating system and a utility system.
Good job. Give me two examples of an application system software. Gmail and Google Chrome. Good job. Somebody give me two examples of a system software. Somebody give me two examples of a system software. Windows and thank you. So do you think you have the understanding of what software is and its types?
Yes, miss.
Are you sure?
Yes, miss.
Do you have any questions to us?
No, miss.
Are you sure?
Yes, miss.
Right. So you're going to take your homework in your book, take questions, and you submit this next week. Understood?
Yes, miss.
This has brought us to the end of our section this morning. I would like, on behalf of myself and Miss Sandy, Ms. Trevona, and Sir Will, I would like to use this time to thank you for taking your time off and to be here so that you can understand, you can grasp the concept of software. Give yourself a round of applause for that.